What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This video, I just came up with it right now. We finna do some launches. Woo! That thing never get old.
Yeah, that just puts you in a mode where you're just like, whoa, like you're stuck for, like when it's going, you're like stuck.
Yeah.
It has me like stuck, like I can't even turn or look. I'm like, oh, shit.
And I got Kyle Jerome in the car with me. Y'all can't see him, but
I'm here.
that's who's talking right now.
I'm here.
If y'all seen that, y'all haven't watched that reaction video, go watch it. You ready? They said they like that V8 muscle car.
Yeah.
They ain't seen a V6 do this. Oh man.
Bumps are crucial.
One of them bumps is crazy as hell.
Yeah.
What's up, man? You want some of this too? I don't think you want none of these problems.
Like that's one of them crazy black youngsters. They one of them crazy black youngsters, man.
He said he's a youngster for sure, man.
Crazy.
Now let's get the fuck up out of here. On to the next one. Whoo! These brakes.
Crazy.
Undefeated.
There we go. Let's go. Hey.
Thought you was gonna go? Me either.
It's exciting every time.
It is.
As soon as we come to a complete stop, I'm just smiling like, let's go, let's go.
Bruh, it really is, bruh. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah.
Sound like Blueface. Ooh.
Ooh.
Mexico. You good?
Yeah,
you good, man?
Man, I'm scared, nigga. I'm scared. RJ.
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant RJ.
Oh, shit. That was a weak one.
Yeah.
That was a weak one. Watch out, turkey.
Turkey, you better be cool before we eat you, turkey. Oh my god, oh, man, I fucked that up. I was about to say for turkey, man. I'm in fucking Thanksgiving.
Oh, man. Yes! That was a good one.
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah. Messed up my goddamn lunch.
Damn it.
It's always people like that, man. Do you want to go and pull a Nissan and a GTR just to say what they say? Just to see what they say? Do you want to pull a Nissan with a Nissan? I think I want to try that for a social experiment.
Hey. I didn't know what to say. I'm going like, oh, shoot. Well, I guess so, dude. Oh, no, dude. Lost. Pretty much lost, dude. $100 Nissan. I can't afford Nissan.
See you guys.
I'm $100 short.
Say I want to trade this motherfucker in. What would you guys give me?
You guys want to trade me for the Kia Soul, maybe?
Say, dude, I'm thinking about getting a Sentra.
Yeah, I want to trade this in for a Sentra. Maybe have some cash on top. I'll add a little cash on top. They'd be looking at you like, nigga, are you stupid?
I know they'll be like, bro, you stupid. I want to see someone. Hey, how you doing?
How can we help you today?
How much would this be to trade this in?
Oh man,
31,000 miles.
We'll have to look at the miles and things like that. And we can appraise it. Have someone appraise it and then check, see how much we can get you for it. But what would you want to trade? What would you want to trade for?
A Sentra.
You playing?
I'm just playing it. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
I was like, what would you want that's better than this?
Oh yeah, no.
You already got the top of the food chain.
Fuck. That was a weak one.
I know, yeah, just.
Hey y'all, we really doing launches in the middle of the street too. Like, this ain't no joke. Like, I'm really stopping traffic.
Oh yeah, no care. That's what's the fun.
No kizzy.
People just looking like,
Oh yeah.
Two young brothers get that car.
That's what you say. I'm a YouTuber, and they want to start to. Oh man, you know, just come back anytime. That's what he said. Oh, come back anytime.
Yeah. I'm surprised he didn't say his address and everything.
Ain't nothing to a GTR. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that little video that I did. Little launches and stuff like that. Car gotta cool down. I guess I'll check y'all in the next video. We out.